All right, everyone, we're here with the 61. I'm gonna pull the engine, so I'm not really working on it. I'm gonna be taking the engine to get rebuilt, so I can take this engine, put into Alfonso, and then Alfonso's motor will go in here. So we're gonna get started on that today. Do this move. Hold the deck lid up. It's a good recommendation to label everything that you're removing, just so you don't accidentally put things back together incorrectly. So that's what we're doing here first. Bus transmission, or 6-volt. They wanted to throw it out a little bit. Make it fit. Alright, well, there's more mouse activity back here. Alright, everyone, so we got it out. Wasn't that hard. Yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna go ahead and start stripping it to make it a long block so it'll be easy to transport, and then we'll go ahead and disassemble the heads and everything and take a look at it after and actually see how big this engine is. So it's still locked up. I had marbles sitting in it for a while now and didn't really do anything, so not a big problem. We're gonna get it rebuilt anyway. So. Take off the brace here for the generator. Loosen that. Go here, turn the screw here. Loosen that up a little bit. Don't forget about this one. This one's going to come completely out. And the oil tour. Certainly some more stuff. Just press it on. Speed. Hold that in. found out why the case is shot. Rod shot. I don't know if he just didn't have oil in it or what, because there wasn't any oil in the engine when I had, when I picked it up. But there's like no, it doesn't look like there's any wear at all on any of these parts. So I didn't know if you want me to start pulling everything off it now, or if you want me to do it with you. I mean, I'm gonna have to get a case regardless. And that carburetor that I was telling you about that's on here, it's from a Porsche 356. It's a Zenith. It's a Zenith carb. I don't know if you ever... Yeah, this one I found, it's the Zenith NDIX DVG 32. Let's say OBE, I don't know what that means. But it's just, it's a two, looks like it's a 2-barrel. But yeah, I don't know if you 356, but it has all the same rating and everything on it as mine. But yeah, because normally I remember seeing them with the dual carbs on them too when I've seen them. But yeah, I don't know. So I don't know if maybe all these parts can be thrown on a different case, but I don't know what, like I said, I don't know how big this engine was. I was gonna just pull the heads and see, but once I pulled the valve cover, and I just noticed everything's brand new, I was hesitant on seeing what you think I should do. Just putting this head back on, and figure out what you might need. I didn't put the piston back on because that's not gonna matter. That's shot anyway. All right, guys. So I found out during deconstruction of the engine, we got a little issue here. We got rod 4 coming through the case here. So that's why the engine was frozen solid, because that was all jammed up. So I took the head off, and I noticed that the rocker arms are new valve springs, the push rods are new. So I'm like, this must have just had work done to it. But I just figured I'd take it. I took the head off. I just wanted to see if the engine was a bigger engine, but it was not. It's a 1600 pistons. So no big deal. So I'm gonna go take this over to the engine rebuilder and have him see what kind of parts we could salvage from here. I don't know if the crank's bad, whatnot. So unfortunately, the case for Alfonso, the original case, was bad. I was hoping to salvage this case to do the rebuild. This case is bad. So I'm back to square one. So I'm gonna bring this down to him and kind of see what we can do next. Hopefully we get some good news, and hopefully he'll have some extra parts if need be. And we'll kind of go from there. That's our update. Another bad engine. Seems to be my luck. Anyway, thanks for watching. This is a wrap. Gonna go ahead and load this up in the car and get it ready to deliver tomorrow. All right, guys, take care.